Hello, my friends. Today, I, Mr. Mo, am going to introduce you to some very basic computer rules slash methods, I guess, of doing things. And the first thing I want to show you is how easy it is to create a new folder. You right-click on your mouse and a screen pops up. You are going to look for New. When you find New, you go up to Folder. Then you're going to click on your folder, and New Folder appears. And then you can name it whatever you want to name it. Maybe I name it Mo. Now I have a new folder right here on my desktop where I can put things. Okay? Okay. Now let's talk about how to save things to specific places. Some of you guys, your strategies for like saving things is to just never close them. You just leave programs open forever. The problem with that is if your computer dies, now all of a sudden those programs shut down and things may not have saved correctly. So let's first start by going to the internet. So I'm going to come here to the internet and I'm going to go to Google and I'm going to search for a picture of an apple. So I type in apple and I go to images. And here are some pictures of apples. Now, I've covered this in another video. One of the biggest mistakes you guys make when you are saving pictures is you just right click on this picture and you go to save. Okay, you need to click on the picture and see the full version of it. Okay, so either here or even go to view image. It's where you get this nice big picture of it. Then you're going to right click on it and you're going to go to save image as. Now when you do that, it's saying where do you want to save it. A lot of you guys just hit save and you have no idea where you're saving it to. I just so happen here to be saving it to my downloads, okay? I want to save it to a specific folder so that I know exactly where it's at. The folder I created was on my desktop. So I click on desktop. And now I need to find the Mo folder. Here it is. So I click on Mo, open, and now I hit save. So I have now just saved this picture into my Mo folder. So if I click on the Mo folder, yay, picture! I now have my picture there. That is basic saving. That is how you save things. Okay? Over here, these are different drives. So if you ever hear your teacher say, go to your U drive, your U drive is the one with your student number and it ends in a U. That's why it's called the U drive. This one has an O next to it. It's called the O drive. Oh, this one has a P next to it. It's called the P drive. Ha ha ha, P. Isn't that funny? So these are different drives on your computers. Okay, some of you guys like to save things to your documents. That's fine. I mean, save stuff wherever, but my point is know where you're saving things. It drives me crazy when you don't know where you are saving things. So let's look at this for instance. I am going to open up Premiere Elements. So I'm going to go to Adobe, and here's my Premiere Elements 13. I'm going to open this up, okay? A lot of you guys, you rely on when you open up your programs, you rely on going to like existing projects and trying to find them. And then all of a sudden, if there's none there, you're like, oh, I don't know where my project is. That's why you need to save your project and know where you're saving it to. So if I open up this new project here, um, hopefully it eventually opens, I will drag something into it. Taking forever to open. Here we go. All right, so now that it's open, okay, I am going to just drag something into it. I'll drag this video of my boy Timberlake. So I drag that video in there, okay? Now, when it is time to save this, what some of you guys do You just go to File, Save. Now the problem with that is you have no idea where you saved it. You do not go to File, Save. You have to go to File, Save As. So I'm going to go here to File, Save As. Okay. Now the problem with this is a lot of you guys probably have no idea where this folder is. The folder says 13.0. You don't know where that is. So let's save it in a folder where you know where that is. Where do we know where a folder is that we just made? On our desktop. So we go to the desktop, find the Mo folder, and now I'm going to save it. It's called My Video Project 1. I would like you to name your stuff as well so you know what you named it. So now I have saved that into the Mo folder. If you wanted to save it somewhere else, go to Save As. So always go to Save As, and I could go to Computer, and here's my U drive. I could save it somewhere on my U drive if I wanted to, because some of you guys like saving things in your documents or in your pictures and all that. Okay, so that is some very, very basic, I guess, computer knowledge that you guys all need. So if I click on Mo here, now here's my project. So when it's time to open this project, I should open it from here. I should not just go to the project and go to most recent and try to open it from there, because that doesn't always work for you. It works a lot, but there's times where it won't work. And then I will say, where did you save it? And if you can't tell me where you saved it, we're going to have a problem. Okay? So hopefully the stuff I just showed you wasn't all that new to you. It's really important, you guys, to make sure you know where you save things. Thanks.